Hey Mom,
Yeah.
are you happy that we're finally getting a lawnmower?
Yeah, we can finally cut our front yard.
And we can also use it for your mustache because it's really hairy. Oh no.
I'm leaving my house because my mom says she doesn't love me anymore.
That is not what I said.
Then what did you say?
I said you did not get an Easter basket this year because you're too old.
That's literally the same thing.
What's that one thing your ex gave you that you can't quite get rid of?
Gang, 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 gang.
Hey, Bunny, could you go take out the trash, please?
Shut up, Mom. Dad, we're just joking. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
It's a joke. It's okay. It's a joke.
Oh, big guy.
Hey! What are you doing?
Really? You gonna act like a bunch of young? Really? All the things that people did to me. You dumb. Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's night time. Pew!
So my niece threw bologna up at the ceiling.
And then it hit on the fan.
And there's absolutely no way we could get it down, so it's gonna smell like. I'm literally at work and I'm eating, and one of my meatballs flew off of my plate and it rolled really far away. Look at it. Oh. Adam.
What's up?
I only know 25 letters of the alphabet.
How come?
I don't know why.
Selena, that was the worst one yet. Selena, it's not funny.
Hey, did you know it's impossible for you to touch your fingernails with your shoulder? The other way. Hi.
Monkeys are so smart.
Hey, how you doing? What brings you gentlemen out? Jim, what's your name? Tim? Hey, we almost got the same name. This Dad? Nice to meet you, sir. How you doing? What brings you out? You look for a first car? Well, hey, congratulations. Congratulations to both of you. What kind of car you looking for? BMW? Well, hey, I won't promise you that I can get you in because those are a little bit harder to get you in at that age. But hey, you know what? I'll try my best. You need a little bit of this, though. You see, I got him, Dad. I got him. Well, hey, you guys come inside of my office. I can see what I can work up for you. All right? I won't promise you anything, but hey, I'll see what I can do. All right? Come on. Oh, you guys want to? Yeah, go ahead and look around. I'll see what I can work up in my office and then come and give me when you're done. All right.
Better sure my mom was getting popping, boys.
Don't let this flop.
Hello, Mama.
We literally went to the store for one thing. And my sister, I got a turtle. I'm gonna name her Taquito.
I just looked outside to see what the neighbors' kids are doing with the dogs, and what'd you guys do?
We turned Deacon into being Jewish.
Bob, again?
Oh, dude, it's fine this time.
Oh, man.
I moved the mats. Dude, it actually worked. I'm on X Games. Yo,
Dude, why did you put in the group chat to bring cats? I thought we were playing softball and getting drunk.
What? I did not say bring cats. I said bring bats.
Then why didn't you just... Hey, Jalen.
Why did you bring a cat here?
You told us to bring cats.
Doesn't make
any sense.
Bats. Softball.
Well, they're coming.
All right.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Do you have any extra food?
I don't, sorry.
Oh, you don't?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man. Here you go.
I'm good, so.
You don't have any extra food though.
Well,